Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our show. I'm Annie, and today we're talking about a small but mighty skill, mastering English small talk. Whether you're at a coffee break, a conference, or waiting in line, small talk opens doors. Right, Biplov?
Hi, I'm Biplov. Yes, small talk can feel small, but it's huge for building connection. We're going to make it simple, useful, and most importantly, for learners at beginners, B1 and B2 levels. Stick with us.
By the way, if you like step-by-step lessons, don't forget to subscribe to Let's Learn English on YouTube. It helps us a lot.
Yes, subscribe and comment below with your biggest small talk challenge so we can help. Okay, now let's go to why small talk matters.
So, why does small talk matter? A lot of learners think small talk is pointless, just filling silence. But actually, it's like a handshake with words. It creates comfort, tests for common ground, and can lead to deeper conversations or professional opportunities. And you know what? It's usually predictable. That predictability is your friend.
Right. Think about the weather. Boring, yes, but safe. Or a shared situation like, this meeting room is hot, isn't it? That's a perfect opener. The goal is to be warm and interested, not to be brilliant. Small talk is about connecting, not showing off.
And for B1, B2 learners, the key is to use simple language with natural rhythm. You don't need perfect grammar. People value friendliness and clarity more than perfection. So breathe, smile, and try a few simple phrases we'll give you.
Okay, strategy time. The ask, answer, ask method.
The ask, answer, ask method keeps the conversation moving. Step 1, ask a simple question to start. Step 2, answer briefly if they ask you something back. Step 3, ask a follow-up question to show interest. It's like a tennis rally. Hit the ball, return, and hit again.
Let's role play a typical exchange at a networking event. I'll be the newcomer, and Annie, you're someone I meet by the coffee station. Ready?
Ready? Go.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Biplov.
Nice to meet you, Biplov. I'm Annie. Are you enjoying the conference?
Yeah, it's good. Lots of useful sessions. I liked the talk on communication. How about you?
I liked it too. Which session did you find most useful?
The one about multilingual teams? I'm working in one right now.
Oh, that's interesting. How do you find communicating with teammates from different cultures?
It's fun and challenging.
See? That pattern keeps things moving and gives you something to respond to. The trick is to ask open-ish questions that invite more than a yes-no when you want more conversation.
Practical. Give learners simple question starters. How did you find? What do you think about? Have you ever? These are easy to produce and easy to answer.
Also, mirror language. If someone says, "I love hiking," you can respond, "Oh, hiking? Where do you go?" That shows interest and makes it easy for them to continue.
Now, safe topics. Important for beginners.
Yes, safe topics are things most people can talk about without feeling uncomfortable. Good ones are the weather, travel, hobbies, food, the event you're attending, and the local area. Avoid politics, religion, money, and health unless you know the person well.
When I first started working in offices, I used food a lot. People love talking about where they ate last night or what dish they recommend. It's low risk and often joyful.
Quick phrases you can use. Have you been to any good restaurants recently? Do you live around here? Are you from the area? Also for the weather, it's been so sunny lately. Have you been outside much? Simple, friendly.
A cultural tip. A note on culture. In some places, asking about family is totally normal. In other places, it's private. When in doubt, start with neutral topics and match the other person's tone. If they're formal, be formal. If they're relaxed, relax.
And another cultural tip: small talk norms vary. In the US, people often appreciate directness and short personal stories. In some other cultures, people warm up more slowly and prefer safe, factual talk. Watching and listening helps a lot.
Let's give learners useful phrases for starting, keeping, and ending conversations.
Openers. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Annie. Hi, that was a great session, wasn't it? This line is moving slowly. Are you in a hurry? Keeping the conversation. Really? Tell me more. Oh, I know a little about that. How did you get into it? Ending lines. It was great to meet you. I should get back to the session. I enjoyed talking with you. Can we exchange contacts?
Let me give a mini script for a workplace coffee break. Professional but friendly. You can say, "Hi, I'm Biplov from marketing. How long have you worked here?" Then answer. You follow up with, "What do you like most about your role?" Then, "It was great talking. I'm going to grab a coffee, but let's connect later." That's ask, answer, ask, plus a polite exit.
Speaking of exits, practicing the exit is important. Many learners worry about endings because they don't want to be rude, but there are graceful ways to end a chat.
Examples: try, "I don't want to keep you. It was nice talking." "I need to prepare for the next meeting, but let's talk again." "I should go. Enjoy the rest of your day."
Here's a slightly longer role play for a polite exit at a networking event. I'll start. Annie, I've really enjoyed hearing about your work, Carlos. I need to check the schedule for the next session. Carlos, same here. Nice talking. Annie, can we exchange cards? Carlos, sure. That's it. Smooth.
Wait, quick tip: always smile and use a short pause before you leave. People appreciate the closing signal. Even a small pause, then, well, works wonders.
Yes, the pause gives a signal that the conversation is wrapping up. Okay, next, we want to give you practice activities you can do alone or with a friend.
Yes, the practice idea 1, daily 5-minute chats. Find a partner or use language exchange apps and commit to 5 minutes of small talk. Start with the ask, answer, ask method. Keep it simple.
Practice idea 2, prepare 3 openers and 3 exit lines. Don't memorize word for word. Know the shapes: greeting, one question, short comment, and polite exit. The structure reduces anxiety.
Practice idea 3, record yourself. You'll hear your rhythm and can work on intonation. Speak slowly at first. People tend to speed up when nervous. Pauses are okay. They make you sound natural.
A small habit. Notice small talk in real life. On public transport, listen, not to judge, but to pick up phrases and tone. You'll build a mental library of natural responses.
Now, a few common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Asking too many yes-no questions back to back. If you ask, "Do you like the conference? Did you like the talk?" people can run out of things to say. Solution? Use at least one open question in the exchange.
Mistake 2, over-explaining or apologizing for your English. You don't need to say, "Sorry, my English isn't good." Instead, "I'm learning English. Could you say that again?" Keeps things confident and practical.
Mistake 3. Being too personal too fast. If someone drops a short answer, give space. Try changing to a new, safe topic. Oh, okay. Speaking of travel, have you been anywhere recently?
Okay, let's do another set of mini role plays, one casual and one professional, so listeners can hear the difference.
Hi, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thanks, I'm Annie. Do you come to this park often? Yeah, I come every morning. That's great. Do you go running? Sometimes, mostly walking. Nice. Well, have a lovely walk. Short and friendly.
Hi, I'm Biplov from the research team. Hi, I'm Lila from product. Which session did you find most useful? The one on user testing. Same. Maybe we could talk about testing methods later? Yes, let's exchange emails. Perfect. I'll email you after the session.
Notice the difference. Casual uses relaxed language and maybe humor. Professional is a little more structured and includes a next step like exchanging contact info. Both follow ask, answer, ask.
All right, listeners, a quick challenge for you. Today, try one small talk moment at a shop, an elevator, or online in a chat. Use ask, answer, ask, and one of our exit lines. Then comment on the Let's Learn English YouTube video with what happened. We'll read and respond to a few.
We really want to hear from you. What's your biggest small talk challenge? Is it starting, keeping, or ending the conversation? Write it in the comments. And remember to subscribe to Let's Learn English on YouTube so you don't miss the next practice episode.
Before we wrap, quick troubleshooting. If someone gives very short answers, don't panic. Try one friendly observation, like, I see you have a camera. Are you a photographer? If they still keep it short, smile and move on. You did your part.
Warm, final quick list to remember. 1. Use ask, answer, ask. 2. Start with safe topics. Weather, food, hobbies, travel, the event. 3. Mirror language and tone. 4. Have polite exit lines ready. 5. Practice daily. 5 minutes is enough.
One last tip. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. The goal is connection, not perfection. Be curious, be kind, and be present.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you found this useful, share this episode with one friend who's also learning English. It really helps. And remember to comment with your biggest challenge.
Thanks, everyone. Practice one small talk today. Small steps, big differences. See you next time on Let's Learn English.
Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to Let's Learn English on YouTube. Bye for now.